Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Starbucks. Now, we had earnings after hours today, and across the board, everything was a beat, EPS, revenue, etc. So everything was a beat, but we did end up having to pull back, and that's because we have an overexhausted run up in here. So we did pull back here after hours. We had right around a $5 expected move priced in by this Friday. And you can see that basically we more or less hit that right around a $4 expected move that we pulled back in here and after hours after that report. So going forward, what we're looking at, our support is going to be this 9-day EMA right here. And that's currently going to be right at that 121.48 level. Our resistance is obviously going to be this high of the past two sessions, which is currently going to be up here right around 126 area. So we're going to see what happens in here. If we pull back below this 9-day EMA, then obviously we could have a chance to come back down here to the 118.49s. But I'm thinking we might just kind of consolidate for a little bit and stay in between this 9-day EMA and those highs. Like I said, again, we were basically right at that expected move. So we're going to see what happens tomorrow, see where we open up. We should have a contraction of right around 15 to 20% in here in this weekly cycle. So if you guys are playing these weekly earnings expiration dates, should have a nice contraction in here. The rest of your expiration cycles right around the 30s. So you might get a little bit of contraction rate, maybe around 5%. But really the weekly, this July 30th weekly is going to have your biggest contraction. That's going to be right around 15%. Now going forward for next week, you have right around a $6 expected move the following week, right around $6 as well. And then your August monthlies, right around $7 expected move. You have Ivy rank in here of around 38. Obviously, that should come down a little bit with the earnings contraction, but we did get a nice pullback in here right at the expected move or just a little bit below, right around $4. So that may end up increasing depending on what happens tomorrow. But again, just keep an eye on this 9-day EMA right at that 121.50s, and then watch the high of the past two sessions up here right around those 126s. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We've attached some links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.